Into the sales training, guys, we are going to be looking into brand, and of course, brand is not what you think it is. So then, what is brand? Well, it's better to start with the question, what brand is not? A brand is not a logo. A brand is not an identity. A brand is not a product or service. So then, what is a brand? A brand is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or organization. It's a person's gut feeling because brands are determined by people and not companies and markets. What do I mean by that? Well, it's not what a company says it is. In fact, it is what the customers say it is. Let's take a look at this particular scenario, and this scenario can be applied to any type of products or services in the marketplace, okay? So, this is Joe, and Joe is in need of a wine. And this is Natalie, who is also a billion-dollar entrepreneur who owns wine businesses all over the country. So, this is Joe. Joe says, "Hi, I'm searching for Clairberry wine. Do you have any?" Natalie answers, "Yes, I sell the best sweet Clairberry wine in America, and that is why I make $100,000 per month. Also, we use the freshest and sweetest Clairberry to make our wine. Everyone says my wine is the best, and I sell with the best prices in America. Here, try it and see for yourself. Do you like it?" Ooh, yes! I love it! I love it! I love it! Now it is time for public relation, and Joe goes to the internet on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, whatever social media. He's gonna share positive reviews about this wine. He's going to explain how it makes him feel, how happy it is about using this wine. And of course, it's very important that you as a company, you make your products very, very good with creating quality product. And as a result of that, the customers go out there, talk about those products, the quality, the values that they got from these products. And of course, it's important that you create good quality products and services. Like Apple, Tesla, and many other powerful brands out there that are doing really well, their products or services have been validated by their niches, all right? Let us now say that Joe did not like the wine, and as a result of that, he went to social media and he write bad reviews about this wine. Consequently, Natalie's business would not be growing because the other customers would also not be validating that her brand is actually good. For the next class, we are going to be looking into the number one underused sales tool that is killing business revenue big time. And this tool plays a massive, massive role in branding. In fact, every year the average brand companies lose. To learn about this tool that will definitely take your business revenue and sales career to the next level, watch this next video now to not miss it.